Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 682, baseball game. Just going to read through the spec here. You're keeping the scores for a baseball game with strange rules. At the beginning of the game, you start with an empty record. You are given a list of strings operations where each index I is the ith operation you must apply to the record, and it is one of the following. An integer x, record a new score of x, plus record a new score that is the sum of the previous two scores. D, record a new score that is double of the previous score, and C, invalidate the previous score, removing it from the record. Return the sum of all the scores on the record after applying all the operations. The test cases are generated such that the answer and all intermediate calculations fit in a 32-bit integer and that all operations are valid. Okay, so 5 to CD plus. So let's see. 5 gets added to the record, 2 gets added to the record, C invalidates 2, so we've still got only 5 in the record. D doubles the previous score, which is 5, so record a new score, so it's going to be 5, and then we're also going to have 10. And then we're also going to have record a new score that's the sum of the previous two scores, so it'll be 5 plus 10 is 15. So we're going to have 5, 10, and 15. 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 15 is 30. Any constraints? The length of operations is between 1 and 1000. Each item is going to be either C, D plus, or an integer that is in the range minus 3 times 10 to the power 4 and 3 times 10 to the power 4. If there's a plus, there's always going to be 2 scores before it, and for operations C and D, there's always going to be 1 previous score. Okay, so just gonna go over to my notes here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have we'll have like an output variable which is gonna be an empty list. Then we're gonna iterate through operations if an integer. If it's an integer, add append to output. If, what was the other ones? If plus append the sum of the last 2 items in output. If, what was the next one? D, append the last item doubled, and then if it's C, remove the last item and output. Okay, and then we're gonna return the sum of all items and output. Okay, so let's just take this and copy it into our LeetCode window here, comment it out, and let's try writing the code for this. So we're going to have this empty list called output, loop for iterations, so for operation and operations, if operation is equal to, we'll start off with the plus. If it's a plus, output dot append output, or we can't really. Oh no, no, output dot append. Oh yeah, we can do output dot append output -1 and output plus output -2, and that is gonna just output the last two items. And then we can say if operation is equal to D, we're gonna append the last item doubled, and then the last one is if operation is equal to C, we're going to do output dot pop, and then we're going to be doing output -1. And then I think that's all we need. Oh no, we just need to do an else. All these should be else ofs actually. Elves. Elf else. Output dot append operation. Cool. And then we're just gonna return. It's an there's an operation called function called sum, so just sum output. Unsupported operand type for plus integer and string. Okay. That's because when I'm adding this, I'm not converting it to an integer. Forgot that it was initially in a string. Okay, so I get 5. The output should be 30. Each time we loop around this, let's just print output. So it looks like 5 only ever gets added. So for operation and operations, that's a bit weird. Don't know why nothing's getting added. So print, oh, not print out. Yeah, print output. Oh, yep. This should be out 1. Should happen at the end of the for loop. Okay. Pop index out of range. Do you write the index that you want to pop? Ah, right, okay. Cool. These test cases pass. Let's just remove this print statement. Hit submit and hope for the best. Accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment, or if you had some other solution that was more efficient or just a different way of solving this, please let me know. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So, yep, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.